Our frame is made of high-strength SUS 304 stainless steel to provide a durable, rust-free life. The cold storage room has a wide range of application, such as fruit, vegetable, fish, meat preservation. Cold storage project proves to be the best food preservation solution. With its fast freezing time and great thermal installation performance, Vegetable Cold Room is a reliable and energy-efficient machine. That is guaranteed with a long service life and low operating and maintenance costs.